Here's your gut's new best friend, Limosilactobacillus Reuteri, previously known as Lactobacillus reuteri. I'm counting down the top 15 science-backed benefits of this probiotic bacterium. 1. Daily gut balance. L. reuteri helps keep good bacteria up, troublemakers down, and supports smoother digestion. 2. Less diarrhea from travel or antibiotics. Studies show certain strains cut duration and severity, so you bounce back faster. 3. IBS support. For some people, it can ease bloating, gas, and abdominal discomfort by calming gut inflammation and motility. 4. Immune tune-up. It coaches your immune system less overreacting, better responses, so you're more resilient season to season. 5. Oral health boost. L. Reuteri produces Reuterin, a natural antimicrobial that can reduce harmful breath compounds and support healthy gums. 6. Women's urogenital support. By helping maintain a healthy vaginal microbiome, Limosilactobacillus Reuteri lowers the risk of infections. 7. Baby belly relief. Some pediatric data links specific Limosilactobacillus Reuteri strains with reduced infant colic crying time, always pediatrician guided, of course. 8. Skin calm. Through the gut-skin axis, it may help dial down inflammation that shows up as breakouts or sensitivity, supporting clearer skin. 9. Metabolic markers. Early research suggests potential help with cholesterol balance and low-grade inflammation, small shifts that add up over time. 10. Mood and sleep support. The microbiome chats with your brain. Certain L. reuteri strains may nudge better stress handling, smoother sleep, and well-being. 11. Helicobacter pylori support. Adjunct use of Limosilactobacillus reuteri improves eradication of H. pylori and reduces side effects of antibiotics. 12. Constipation relief. Certain L. reuteri strains can improve stool frequency and comfort. 13. Infant eczema. Some pediatric trials report reduced severity of infant eczema with guided use of L. reuteri strains. 14. Bone health. Limosilactobacillus reuteri, ATCC PTA 6475 has been linked to higher vitamin D levels. 15. Breastfeeding support. Limosilactobacillus reuteri may help reduce recurrent mastitis episodes. If you are considering Limosilactobacillus reuteri supplementation, consult your doctor first. When selecting the supplement, look for the strain name on the label, names like ATCC PTA 6475. Because the listed benefits are strain-specific. Aim for billions of CFUs stored as directed. Some need refrigeration. And remember, the best probiotic is the one you take consistently with fiber on the plate and patience on the clock. Thanks for watching. If this helped you know about Limosilactobacillus reuteri, please subscribe. Tap the bell so you don't miss the next gut health drop. Share this with someone building a healthier microbiome, and I'll see you in the next one.